Hello everyone and welcome to my kitchen today. I'm so excited because today I'm going to share with you my favorite protein shake. Is anyone out there struggling to either keep off or lose the quarantine 15? Because I sure am, and I hope I'm not alone. I've talked about this with a lot of my girlfriends and I wanted to share what's been working for me. So I started taking these protein shakes a couple of months ago, and they are specifically formulated for women. So I love taking them. I love knowing what I'm putting in my body. It comes out to only $2 a shake, and I use them to replace one meal a day. So I've been using the Lean Protein by LadyBoss, and not only does it help curb cravings, but it also has tons of daily vitamins and minerals. It helps your digestive system, helps boost immunity. There are so many benefits of this protein powder. Like I said, it's super affordable. It replaces a meal for just $2 a day, and it tastes amazing. I'm gonna share my favorite recipe with you guys. It's really quick and easy. You probably already have all the ingredients in your house already. It's the chocolate peanut butter cup shake, and it is so good. Alrighty, so here's the recipe. As I said, it's really easy to make. You probably already have all of these ingredients in your kitchen already. So first off, obviously you need the Lean LadyBoss protein. I will go ahead and leave that all linked at the end with a discount code for you guys. You need 8 ounces of milk. I prefer almond milk, but use whatever you prefer. You need 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, and then some ice and a blender. So let's get started. So once you have everything in there, just mix it for like 30 seconds to a minute till it's all blended together. So you'll want to blend it till it's completely mixed together. It'll be a thicker consistency, but you can still pour it, and then just take it out of the blender, pour it in your favorite glass, and enjoy. So as you can see, it's really easy to make. As a full-time pharmacist, I don't typically have time in the morning to whip up all of these crazy concoctions. This is just really easy, super convenient to make in the morning. I like to make it as I'm running out the door, and I replace my breakfast with it. You can drink this on the road, you can drink this at work. Overall, 10 out of 10, super convenient. And let's talk about the taste. So the shake that I showed you today is the chocolate peanut butter cup shake, and oh my goodness, it kind of tastes like dessert. I feel like I'm cheating, but I'm not because it's so good for me. Love the taste of it, no complaints there. So go ahead, follow the link to get yourself some Lean LadyBoss protein and enjoy. Cheers!